Hey everybody, had a gorgeous day here in South Dakota today. It was in the 70s. The wind was blowing quite a bit. I mean, that's hard to believe. So I was working on fence again. Imagine that. But show you a little bit of what we're doing, and hopefully there's enough daylight left that I can get a gate hung. All right, so on this particular gate that I've got here today, it is welded on the bottom where you put it in. So we're gonna shoot for about 15 inches off the ground, and we've got to drill all the way through the post so we can put this bad boy in like so. So we'll do that here. There, get you so you can see. Might be time to invest in a new flex steel here. It's getting a little iffy, a little wore out. So okay, the weapon of choice today is the Makita with the 4.0 battery on it. Getting there. I'm sure it's warm, and look at it's pine, so got her full of pine sap there. We might have to get that off of there. All right, now let's see if it'll eat some more. It wasn't super hot though, so that's good. Clean it off again, that seemed to help. There we go. Okay, got her all the way through. So then we will undo this one and try not to lose it like when I did that other gate, which of course I did find. I can't remember if it was the wrench or the bolt or nut or whatever I was missing. Yeah, I was pretty much standing on it. Okay, might as well get this guy a lot closer. That should give us enough, and we can always adjust it if I went too far. There, and fairly snug. You want it, you know, so you're not getting all sorts of moisture and everything in there. Put the washer on the far side and the other nut. And we won't need to tighten this all the way for right now. Just get it snug. It does go downhill here a little bit. I don't know, I might want to rethink my measurement, but we'll see when we get it on. Okay, so there, I got it snugged, and I'll move it around so I can sit on here a minute and we'll see what it looks like. All right, so I just sat it for now in the bottom one right here. And actually that height looks pretty good, especially because, so what I'm doing here is, this is my bale yard. I think I'm gonna make it a little more permanent. So what I've been doing so far is just using electric fence, and then you get a blizzard or whatever, and it can be fun getting in and out of here to get to the bales. And also what I did, because it was gorgeous, I didn't have the camera running, but replaced all this fence here, and then now I'm coming this way with some fence. Put a gate in here, so that way I can come in with the tractor either at this point or where I always used to, where that old gate is. And yes, that fence is quite iffy too. But when we got that 2.5 inches of rain here a month ago, it filled up this low spot, and a little hard. I could pound posts in, but since I'm digging them with the auger, and I'm using my Alice Chalmers 6080, yeah, not so good. Not that I couldn't go get a pounder, but this is what I got here, and it usually works pretty good. But yeah, all in all, I think I'm running out of daylight, so probably won't get much more done. I'm not sure. I might, after this post here, I'll probably go one, maybe two more lengths of the stockade panels. And then, like I said, it's a little more permanent. We're not so worried about what those yahoos are getting into. They look content now, of course, but yeah, that could change at any minute. So I got some bean bales here that these are going to be good straw here this winter. Gives them something to keep warm in the snow. I'll probably move them, stack them a little bit to make some more room here. We've still got other bales to haul home yet. All in all, but the forecast looks like it's going to be decent. This is probably the last really warm day we're going to have for a while, but overall, yeah, good weather. Projects are going well, so that's always a bonus. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. That's a hard word to say when you have a camera on for some reason. And thanks for watching, and as always, take care.